Hello, my name is Alec. I am the technical manager at Quelfire. In this video, I just wanted to help our customers help us. So our technical team at the moment is being obviously bombarded with a lot of technical inquiries. But the thing is, we want to be able to respond to you in the most efficient way. So there are certain bits of information that we do require. So I just wanted to highlight the sort of information we need and the reason why we need it. It's not very simple where we just get a photo and we just get the words, how do I seal this? It's not really telling us much, and we can just go, well, you can use one of our vast amount of details, here you go. So the reason why we need that information is because we want to give you specific information. So it's vital that first of all you tell us, is it a wall, is it a floor? That sort of narrows it down straight away for us, almost 50-50 I suppose, if you want to put it that way. Then we need to know, is it going to be like an oversized hole? So is it going to be something like this, which is like a multi-service builder's working connection opening? Or is it going to be a direct seal, so just a single pipe or cable, for example? And then we need to know what the service is. So when we're talking about pipe work, for example, we need to know, is it going to be something like this? It's just a steel pipe. Is it going to have a sleeve? Is it going to be a plastic pipe? Is it going to be copper with insulation? So normally we'll get things like BCWS, which for the uninitiated, that stands for boosted cold water supply. That could be a copper pipe, that could be a plastic pipe, that could be a copper pipe with phenolic insulation, a copper pipe with Armorflex type insulation, or even foil-faced rock fibre. So just saying BCWS doesn't really mean a lot to us. And again, we can give you vast amounts of details. So what's more acceptable is to say we've got a 22 mil copper pipe with 40 mil thick phenolic insulation. That evidence there straight away points us to one detail, and we can give you that detail instead of 10 or 20. When we're talking about cables and cable carriers, what we need to know is, first of all, the cable carrier type. So is it a conduit? If it is a conduit, is it a plastic conduit? Is it a steel conduit? Then we need to know if it's a cable carrier, if it's a tray, a basket, a ladder, what the size of that carrier is. And one of the things that if you really want to get specific is, are any of those cables, especially on your tray or ladder, going to be over 21 mil? And that's the outside diameter, because that does sometimes greatly differ the detail that you can use. But if you don't know that, at least just give us the tray, the size of the tray, or the conduit type. When we're talking about builders' work openings, it's really important that we know what the services are, because there are going to be spacing restrictions, there might be service support restrictions. So the more information that you're able to give to us, the more we're able to support you. So going back to the start, if you need help on what sort of questions we need to ask, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to tell you the sort of questions we need answering, and hopefully over time you understand that the more information you give us, the quicker we can respond. But please don't just send a photo and say, how do I seal this? And then sort of question why. We'll come back and say, please answer all this information. Please reach out to us. We're always happy to help, and thank you very much.